Hello children, welcome to Mathematics class 5. Today we are going to learn chapter 1 large numbers. In this large numbers you are having number system. In this number system we are having two methods. See in this slide Indian system and international system. So Indian system also called Indo-Arabic system and Hindu-Arabic system. Those two names also we are calling. And in international system, this is also called English system and British system. Now what we are using, that one called Indian system. Okay, let us learn difference between Indian system and international system. See this one, Indian place value chart. If you observe here you are having ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. See in this ones period you are having ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period you are having thousands and 10,000s. Lakhs period, lakh and 10 lakh. Crores period, crore and 10 crore. Okay, if you observe here, you are getting in ones period only you are getting 3 digits. Remaining all periods you are getting 2 digits only. Remember that. Let's learn. Go to another slide. International system. See in this chart, here also we are having period wise. Ones period, thousands period, millions period. Okay, instead of lakh and crore we are having here millions. Okay, if you observe here in ones period we are having ones, tens, hundreds. Next in thousands period, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000s also. Okay, but in this period we are having 3 digits. Okay, next we are going to millions period. In million period also we are having million, 10 million, 100 million. So in this international system we are having in each period 3 digits. Okay, do you remember in Indian system we are having except ones period only 2 digits in each period. But in this international system all periods are having 3 digits. Okay, see here, if you compare two methods, two systems, Indian place value system and international place value system, we can learn easily. See, observe here in this slide, ones period, ones, tens, 100. Okay, in Indian system, thousands period we are having 1,000 and 10,000. Here, but here in international system we are having 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Next, we are having lakh period in Indian system. But instead of that we are having here 100,000. In international system we are having 100,000. Okay. Next in Indian system we are having crores. But in international system we are having millions. This is the variation between Indian system and international system. Let's learn some examples. See in this one. Ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. See ones period 3 digits, thousands period 2 digits and lakhs period also we are having 2 digits only. See this number 94 lakh 12,871. This is the number name in Indian system. Now we are going to another slide. See this ones period, thousands period, millions period. This is in international system. In ones period 3 digits, thousands period 3 digits and millions period only we are having 1 digit. So how to read this number name? See here 6,875,842. So here in Indian system we are having thousands period 2 digit only, but in international we are having thousands period 3 digit. In each period in international we are having 3 digits, but in Indian system we are having except ones period, every period has only 2 periods. This is the difference between Indian and international system.